I'm the daughter of the legendary Goodnight Kisses, and I'm going to be making a baby blanket for a friend, and I will be using a 6mm US 10 Curly Q. I don't know what the official thing is. I'm called Curly Q. Needlework to create a baby blanket. From this, it is no longer in its peak condition. I got this 6 years ago, and it's no longer a cake, so I'm sorry. And I plan on using the entire thing. If I remember what it's called, I think Mom called it a Karen cake or something, and it's going to look glorious. So here I go. Hi, I did it. I have done it, and through multiple confirmations with my mother, because I have ADHD and I forget immediately. No, I don't forget immediately. I will stop forgetting immediately. I have done a knitted cast on, and I've already forgotten what she told me. I did a knitted cast on the Curly Q carb. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm trying to be funny and I'm not. I have done a knitted cast on the Curly Q, and I have a lot left. I've done in total 100 over the course of like 3 office episodes. So it's called distractions, baby. All right. There's 100, and so now I did a knitted cast on. Sorry, I almost forgot, because I wanted. My mom said that it would be better to. It's simpler, it's faster. It takes a while to figure it out because I was doing a different one before, which would require a long tail, and I have shortened it because of the knitted cast on. Ta-da! I'm almost done. This is the second to last color. It sort of starts and ends with the last color, and but regardless, since it ends with yellow, I think the next color, it should be orange, so it should go seamless. So the goal is to see if this yarn works, because there's no more takes of this yarn. It's discontinued. So we're gonna see how well this one goes, and if it doesn't, then I will have to remove it and finish this as the complete blanket. We had run into a snag earlier by the fault of my own doing, making a knot and then during this area, and my mother graciously fixed it mostly. And so when I finally got to it again, all she did was just, make 2 more tails, attached it by doing the way you normally, like when you first go on, you first start it with the new tail, you just stitch it on, stab, strangle with the new guy. And so I'm going to finish this and try this out, and that'll be it. And it's hopefully gonna look great.
Okay, call me the princess of procrastinating, because I just finished this like right before I have to leave. Give it to her. It's done. Woo. Okay, it is 100 stitches long. I used I think the knit stitch and the purl. I think I knit stitched it on to cast on, and then I did purl throughout. My mother did the last ones, and yes, it's tight. honestly don't care. It's tight at the end, which means I need to loosen. But she, I learned how to cast off with a different creator. But then she retaught it to me because I kept messing up. So, and then she was the one that put in all the tails because I'm running out of time. All right, bye.